Guys, finally something to write home about. These are 3 bedrooms going for $228. That's incredible. And this is a 2-bedroom showroom. Hey, does this come furnished?
No.
Okay, not furnished. And its own bathroom. This 2-bedroom is going for $215. This is a little bit further away, guys. Gotta be honest here, gotta keep it real. It is over by the Plaza Américas Mall. And, but it's got amenities like bowling lanes, pool tables, poker, cafeteria, co-working, receptionist, 24-hour security, that sort of thing. I'm not crazy about the cabinets, but I guess it's slow. Yeah, it's all right. And 2.5 bath. And yeah, so for $228, and then a 1-bedroom is $159. Totally not worth it. You can get the same thing downtown Playa del Carmen for about the same, probably a little less if you have me as a negotiator. And guys, we are an agency with access to all properties across all agencies. And just like in the US and Canada, our commission is paid by the seller. And if we don't exist, meaning if you don't have one of us, a buyer's agent, then that commission goes to the listing agent in its entirety or the developer's sales team. So I always say you might as well have somebody looking out after your interests. And our claim to fame is that it's our job to make sure you do not end up with buyer's remorse after buying and purchasing the property, years after purchasing. The way we do that is with this new Try Before You Buy homeownership program that lets you try out first any development or neighborhood or resale. If we can, we'll send you an Airbnb link and try it out. See if you really love it. And if you do, we take it a step further, put you in contact with other owners so you can ask them, we can ask them all the most important questions like, is it noisy here? Is there anything you don't like? We're always trying to find reasons not to purchase because that's what makes us different. Because we will find reasons for you not to purchase, and then we'll just go to the next one and the next one and the next one until we find the right perfect property, perfect home for you. So guys, do yourself a favor, go with a real estate agent that is not going to disappear on you after the sale. It's going to be there well after the sale is completed, helping you out with immigration, furniture, rental management companies, property taxes, all that good stuff. Come with us. We really do care about you. We are your new neighbors. And financing here, well, you really only have financing in your home country where you have a credit history and a credit score. And the Mexicans over here, they pay 12% annual interest rates on average. And there are some direct-to-developer financing options for foreigners here, and they range from 70% of the total value to 50% of the total value of the home. They will finance for anywhere between 9 to 12% annual interest rate for 1 to 5 years, typically. So they're usually on the other side of the freeway, that sort of thing. But if you want more information about those, just click on the link down below. But 99% of our clients purchase cash using escrow, always with escrow for safety, and with property attorneys, not just any property attorney, the right property attorneys. Guys, come with us. Click on the link down below. If you want to talk directly to me, just ask for Raul and I will contact you personally. If you have any questions, comment down below. Please remember to subscribe, like, it really helps my channel out so I can continue doing this for you guys. And leave a comment. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Let's be neighbors soon.